Welcome students in my YouTube channel Need Biology Cracker. Today we will deal with a new topic, that is the application of biotechnology in nematode resistant plant. How we will make the nematode resistant plant by using the RNA silencing or RNA interference mechanism. First we will see how nematode infect the plant. So in this there is a nematode named as Meloidogyne incognita. This nematode, it form the root node disease in tobacco plant. What this nematode do? This is the root of tobacco plant. This nematode naturally present in the soil. This nematode is present in soil, and when there is injury in the root, this nematode infect the root and insert its DNA in the root, and where this nematode infect the root, there is formation of tumor. And produce the disease that is called as root node disease. And this disease significantly reduce the yield or you can say productivity of tobacco plant. Significantly reduce the productivity, and which is harmful because it significantly reduce productivity. So we will make this nematode resistant plant which is resistant to this nematode infection. What is the mechanism behind this? The mechanism is RNA interference mechanism. What we will do? See what we will do. This nematode Meloidogyne incognita, it insert its DNA. This is the DNA of Meloidogyne incognita. It insert its DNA in the root cell. This is DNA in the root cell. Insert its DNA in root cell. इसने रूट सेल में डीएनए इंसर्ट कर दिया. नाउ दिस डीएनए इट फॉर्म द mRNA. This DNA form this is mRNA, and you know that DNA form the mRNA by process that is called as transcription process, and this mRNA further form the protein. This mRNA further form the protein. This is protein. The mechanism behind is translation. This process of formation of protein from mRNA is called as translation, and this protein is responsible for disease production. Which disease? That is the root node disease. How we will protect the plant? How we will make the plant nematode resistant? देखो, the mechanism is if we stop this protein formation, if we silent this mRNA, then no protein is formed, then no disease production. So basic mechanism is this: we make this mRNA silent. That's why this technique is called as RNA silent. What we do? We insert the nematode specific gene. या कह दो इस nematode की gene. We insert the nematode gene in such a way in such a way that it produce both sense and anti-sense RNA. It produce both sense and anti-sense RNA in the plant. To transfer this gene, we use the vector Agrobacterium tumefaciens. You know that this vector is used to gene transfer in the plants. By this vector, we insert the nematode gene in the plant, in the tobacco plant. This gene form the sense and antisense RNA, and because these both RNA are complementary to each other, it form the double-stranded RNA. Both sense and antisense RNA fuse and form the double-stranded RNA. As this double-stranded RNA is produced, it activates the enzyme that is called as dicer, which is a type of endonuclease. You know, this endonuclease cut the DNA, cut the nucleic acid from the mid. So these dicer enzyme, these cut these. This is double-stranded RNA. This dicer enzyme cut this double-stranded RNA from the mid. It cut the double-stranded RNA from the mid, and there is formation of various small fragments of double-stranded RNA. It is called as small interference RNA or siRNA. Small interference RNA. Now the proteins are attached on it, and these protein unwind them. Unwind matlab they form the single stranded. Now they become the single stranded. These RNA become the single stranded due to unwinding, and these are called as RISC, that is RNA induced silencing complex. RNA induced silencing complex. These silencing complex will bind on this mRNA, because you know this is a part of this mRNA is formed on this nematode gene, and this mRNA also formed in this nematode gene. So the some copies are complementary to this mRNA. So these copies are attached on this mRNA. You can see these copies are attached on this mRNA. Which copies which are complementary to mRNA is attached with this mRNA and block the translation, which silent the this mRNA, because this attached with the this mRNA and it form the double-stranded RNA at some places, which silent this mRNA, and so no translation and no protein formation. If no protein is formed, so no disease production. No disease production. This nematode will die in the absence of this protein formation. So this plant become the nematode resistant.